Today will try to cover our week 9 course, but before we go to that course, I want to review the complete course which we did in last few weeks. In our first week, we did the introduction to the HTML, the hypertext markup language. In that, we learn the tags, header tags, paragraph tags, and then list tags. And then list, we learn two type of the list: the order list and unordered list, the OL and UL. And in day 2, we learn the CSS, to use the CSS in our web page. The CSS we use to style the paragraph, fonts, and colors. And then we in our day 4th, we learn the page layout, the alignment of the pages. And yeah, that was the we covered in our first week course. In week 3, we learn the design, the notice boards. Week 4 to 5, we learn the JavaScript. And week 6 to 7, we learn how to use the Adan API in our web page using the JavaScript. API is the third-party software that always return the data in JSON format, and we read that JSON data and populate our web page using the JavaScript. In week 8, we learn the web page, how we design the web page can fit on a different type of the screen, on a cell phone, tablet, and computer. And week 9, we're gonna learn the logo, add logo, mocks image, and Juma time announcement, and few other things. Those all we're gonna cover in our week 9 course. Week 9 is our final touch of the whole course which we did in our last few weeks. Those all topics we're gonna cover in our week 9 course. That is, we call it the Islamic website. We will make the Islamic website the Madrasa Web Development course. And in this course, goal is to add the logo and mocks image in our web page, display the Juma prayer time, add announcement, apply the Islamic themes, colors, and fonts. Adding a logo, I will write those all code in my commit section, so you can also copy and paste that content of the course from the my commit section. For to add the logo, we use the HTML tag image, and then we need the source, so we need to define the source where is the logo is saved, and from there we read the logo. So we call the image source logo.png madrasa logo. Inserting the mocks image. So in this also we learn how to add the mocks image in our web page, and that is also we use the same HTML tag, the image source, and then we need to define the source where the mosque image is saved. Display the Juma prayer time, add static prayer time using the HTML. Example, the paragraph strong every day, every Friday. Here we will show the every Friday Salah time. So this all we're gonna cover in today course, and then I will write down those all code in my commit section, and if you want you can copy and paste, and then you can run that in your from your browser. Save that in your desktop, and from there you run using your browser. Adding the announcement, we will use the list tag which we already learned in our week 4 course, the unordered list, and that list gonna show the Eid holidays 15 to 18 July, then Quran competition, different type of the announcement we can display using the list tag of the HTML. For our course week 9, so this is the page gonna display here. So the above placeholder, we're looking for the logo. This one is our logo. This is our masjid image, and here is two announcement we using there, and this is the time. So these three functions, these all functions we learn throughout our course from 1 to 8 weeks. So those all we practice here in our course 9. So the coding of this course is here in Notepad. I copy and paste. I wrote and paste there in my directory, in my course 9 directory, and I save that page as a HTML2, and when I run this HTML2, so I see the result here like this. So this all code I pasted in my commit section. If you want to practice, you can copy and paste from there, or you can type it. Thank you.